Hey, how it's going everyone? I am Dilshan and welcome back to Dilus Aquascaping. So in today's video, I'm going to make a tank setup for a cute little fish called Tiger Barbs. They are delightful little fish to have in our aquarium. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here is an all 16 gallon aquarium. As a substrate, I use river sand. There are several reasons, I will explain why. These river stones are used to take the form of a natural river. River sand gives the tank a natural feel and it creates a comfortable environment for the fish. Now we can place the river stone on the substrate. Here I try to show how the river bank is covered with stones. This is the aerial roots of the banyan plant. These are used to increase the details of the setup. This should be thoroughly seasoned underwater before being added to the tank. I put a piece of driftwood here. You can see what I am doing here is trying to make it look like the roots have come out through the substrate. Okay, now we can get on with our planting. We must avoid wearing the fern ribosome under sand or gravel because it will rot. Now don't forget to set the filter. Finally, we need to let our aquarium settle for at least 3 days before adding fish. Now's the time to add our awesome fish. Now let's look at some beauty of this.